welcome to Fabric by Singhania. If you're looking for some really nice outfit ideas for this Navratri or for Diwali, we've got the perfect set of patola silk which could be easily customized into your garba outfit or your lehenga. Now here you can see our first patola fabric. It's in a very nice and vibrant shade of rich blue color, and you can also see all the reds and yellows in it. It gives a really unique design to the fabric, and as you must know, patola fabrics are quite unique. And you can also take a look at the border. It's quite beautiful. It's got nice zari weaving done on it, and it's the perfect kind of fabric that you want to customize into a nice traditional outfit. All these patola fabrics would be perfect for this Navratri and Dasara. Now here we've got a second fabric that I'm presenting. This is also a beautiful patola fabric. This has got really nice rich shades of reds, blues and yellows in it, and it looks really perfect. The geometric design makes it look quite unique like any other patola fabric, and it's got beautiful zari weave borders. You can create a gorgeous lehenga for your kids, for yourself, and you can create beautiful and unique blouse pieces for yourself to pair it off with a sari or a lehenga, and it would look really beautiful. Now if you guys want to know how much fabric you'll be requiring and more about the customization details, you can comment below and our assistants will help you with it. Now a very traditional patola fabric in front of you in beautiful shades of yellows, reds and blues. This is quite unique and it looks really different from the other patolas that I've shown you. It's also got this beautiful zari border to it which makes it look really different, and it's quite minimal. At the same time the body is quite beautiful. So you can create nice kind of Indo-Western outfits with this, or you can create a beautiful lehenga or a gorgeous blouse piece for any saris as well, and this patola silk would look perfect on you. Now as you take a look at this patola, now this is one of our hot selling product and we've got very less left of this. As you can see that this is the last piece that's left of this silk fabric. You can take a look at the geometric design. It's in beautiful mustard shades which are detailed, and you've got really nice orange shades to it too. And the border also looks just perfect, so you can create beautiful blouse pieces with this, or even if you want to create a cute top for a traditional outfit for your kids wear or for yourself, this kind of fabric would be perfect. And this is the amount of fabric we have, and we've got so many more patola collection here at Fabric by Singhania. As you take a look at this patola silk, you can see that it's got a nice dual tone to it. It's got beautiful blue shade, and you can also see a nice red shade to it on the light. Now this also has a really unique geometric design which is different from others, and the best part about it are the colors that you see here. It's got beautiful blues, yellows, reds and so many more. You can also take a look at this minimal border work that has been done. Now this would be perfect if you want to create a nice menswear kurta too, something that is very unique and different and out of style, something that is a statement piece. This kind of patola silk would be perfect to customize into that, and it would be a unique piece in your wardrobe. Now this too, as you see here, is another hot selling product that we have. As you can see that these are here for exclusive pieces that are running out right now, guys. As you can take a look, it's got beautiful blue shade of patola, and it's got really nice geometric design to it with really nice shades too. You can take a look at the border. It's quite minimal. Now if you want to create a nice kurti or a menswear kurta, or you want to create a nice blouse piece for your sari, this kind of unique patola silk would be perfectly customized. And if you guys have more details about your customizations too, we've got all of those services here at Fabric by Singhania. Now here you can see that we've got a unique patola silk in front of you. It's got this really nice big border of Banarsi weaving that has been done in really nice gold zari weave. As you take a look, it's got this really beautiful shade of blue color here, and we've got really nice body also over here in nice shades of violets, orange, reds, and the entire fabric looks quite vibrant. So if you want to create a nice kids wear lehenga, or you want to create a nice lehenga for yourself, this kind of patola silk fabric would give you both the traditional touch, and it would also have this really unique touch to it, which is the gold zari weaving that you see. It's very beautiful and it's quite grand, so this is perfect for your Navratri, Dasara or Diwali. Now here we're presenting to you another beautiful patola silk in front of you. It's also got this really nice Banarsi border weave, and it's got a nice gold zari. Again, this has got this really nice shade of blue and dark blue on it, and it gives a really perfect touch. With it, you've got this beautiful body which is in a nice multicolor of violet, oranges, reds and many more. So this too would be the perfect outfit to create a nice suit set for yourself, or if you want to customize a beautiful lehenga, this would be perfect for your garba or for your dandiya events too. If you want to customize something special and different in your wardrobe, these kind of patola silks would be amazing on you. Now here you can see we've selected another gorgeous patola silk. This is also in a nice multicolor with a really beautiful border. We've got many more collections of bordered patola silks here at Fabric by Singhania, one of which are these beautiful collection that I'm presenting in front of you. It's got really gorgeous shades of geometric design, and it's perfect to create any kind of outfits. For your blouses also, if you've got any requirements, this kind of fabric would be perfectly customized for your sari or for your lehenga. Even if you want to make a beautiful anarkali or a suit or a kurti, this kind of fabric would look just amazing on you. And the detailing of this fabric is just gorgeous. You can take a look at the paisley design, the peacock motifs, and so many more weaving that has been done across this border, making it look really unique and different. So here I'm presenting our final fabric here. It's another very gorgeous patola silk. You can see that this has got a really unique design from the other patolas that you have seen. Now this has got this really nice geometric design with paisley design in it, and the color also is quite vibrant and rich. It's got this beautiful pink color and a parrot green color and yellow as well. The combination looks just perfect, and you can take a look at the border as well. It's got this really nice dark blue, almost violet shade of border with beautiful gold zari weaving. This also looks just perfect to create any kind of outfits that you have in mind. It could be something traditional. If you want to go for something Indo-Western, you can create something unique with this. Now, if you guys want to know more about the fabric's requirement or any kind of designs you have in mind, you can come visit Banjara Hills Road number 1. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like, comment below for any details, and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see more of our collection, you can visit our website or follow us on our social media page. And if you want to see more of the collection and other outfits, you can come visit Banjara Hills Road number 1.